So today I want to talk about making somebody the beneficiary of your Forever account. And that's what makes Forever unique, because you actually are buying the storage, and then Forever promises to preserve your things for your lifetime plus 100 years. And you also are able to make a beneficiary for your account. So they can do that because there is a Forever Guaranteed fund that money is put into when you make your purchase of your storage. And it's like an insurance policy for your photos. And it will take your photos and your whole collection into the future. So if somehow files change and they need to be converted, well, then they would use the money out of that account to convert those files to the current day process. So how do you do that in Forever? How do you make somebody the beneficiary? You go to your connections, and we're in my demo account, so it doesn't look like there's a lot of connections, but I actually have a lot in my own account. You can go to the button in the right-hand corner that says Add Connections. You can search for somebody. If they already have a Forever account, you can search for them and add them that way, or you can send them an invite by email. So you'd put their email address here, and then you can use the canned message here, or you can change it and put in what you like. But know that your person, whoever you're inviting, will get 2 gigabytes of storage and some money to spend on a project or on a blanket or digitization, lots of different things. So then you would send the invite. Once they have accepted, they will become part of your connections. Now, connections don't have to be beneficiaries. They can just be your connections. And that means that then they can see, you control what they can access. So here we see, if we go to those 3 dots, you can make a group membership. So for instance, if I have a group called Thompson Family or Cousins, and then I have albums that only are to do with the Thompsons, I can change that album so they are viewable to the Thompson group. So then they would be able to view them. So that way you're not giving access to a bunch of things that perhaps they don't even want to look at. You can remove a connection if you change your mind later, and this is where you make the beneficiary. So you toggle this button to the right, and that gives that person now permission to upload, modify, arrange, and create projects within your account. But they cannot delete anything from your account, and they can't make a purchase in your account. So you have connections, account managers, and you have groups. And I hope you have enjoyed this presentation. If you haven't got a Forever account, you will find a link in the show notes below, and you can then join Forever, and you would get 2 gig of storage and as money as well for a project of your own. So I hope you found this helpful. Please like the video and stay tuned for more videos about other ways you can organize in Forever. Have a great day.